In this video, I'm just going to talk about, is autoblogging still safe in 2026? Now, as we are moving forward in 2026 with a lot of AI SEO agents or AI agents, so we have got the opportunity to tweak and create an agents that are specifically trained on many SEO articles and how trained to be a SEO marketer. So example, we have this RO and we have an AI agent inside the RO, which is running a campaigns, Autoblogs, and also site optimizers. So if I create a new optimizer and give my domain, it will exactly tell you what's wrong in my website, analyzes websites, provide actionable recommendations, implement them in real time. Even if I need SEO reports, so I can go here and click on the new report, and then if I open the report, it shows you how my site is improved and ranking. It analyzes every single thing, and it also recommends you some things. So this is from our wall. Inside our wall, you can try it for free. The link will be in the description. But yeah, you can this is a tool which every SEO marketer needs, and you can try it for free.